Is your Polaris Slingshot key fob unresponsive or difficult to open? The most common culprit is a depleted battery, specifically the CR2032 lithium coin cell. These batteries typically last 1 to 3 years. First, try replacing the battery. If the case is stuck, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften any adhesive. Carefully pry the case open with a plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver, avoiding damage. Note that humidity can cause issues as well, so try to store it in dry conditions. This section covers the step-by-step process for replacing the battery in your Polaris Slingshot key fob and reprogramming if needed. Once the case is open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting that the positive plus side faces up. Insert the new battery with the same polarity, positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the fob by locking and unlocking your slingshot. If the remote still doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it. Try cycling the ignition. Insert the key, turn to on, and press the fob buttons. If problems persist, consult a Polaris dealer for an ECU reset. Proactive battery replacement every 2 years can prevent costly repairs.